start the
Yes.
share session?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Shall we start? Hello.
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes, of course, yes.
First of all, we would like to have your introduction. Your personal introduction, your brief bio, your academic profile.
Excuse me, I can't understand. I receive a list about subjects to discuss today.
So first of all, we would like to have your introduction, your personal introduction, your brief bio, your academic profile.
Okay. So the personal information. Okay, I'm a professor, a PhD at the Bucharest University of Economic Studies, at the management department, and I'm very, very glad to participate from 2 years to your international conferences organized by Terra.
Anything else, sir?
I like very much, so I'm specialized in the interpersonal communication and negotiation skills, also in the human resource management, and I love, not I like, very much what I am doing with my students, graduate, postgraduate and PhD candidates.
Nice, sir. Nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now let's just come to our next question. What was your motivation during COVID era for the research you have presented in the last conference? Your topic was online a better option in the post-pandemic era, a research on the Romanian economic higher education.
Okay, just a second to put the camera to be okay. It's now I think it's better. So
what was your motivation?
My motivation, yes. I know the subject. So my motivation was generated by the fact that this pandemic crisis gave us a lot of our professional and not only professional changes, and we were obliged to adapt very, very quickly to new conditions unknown until this period. We, all of us, students and teachers and researchers, we are obliged to adapt ourselves to new conditions, and it was really very, very interesting to develop our IT&C skills. This was, I think, the most important thing gave by this pandemic crisis. In other hand, to be honest, this pandemic crisis gave us also a lot of interrogation points, because as we know, as I think everywhere, usually with the students we were like in a, let's say, in a spiritism interaction, because in a lot of situations we see only rectangular black images with the name and the surname, and like in a spiritism session we ask, Monica, are you there? Konstantin, are you there? And so on, and maybe we heard the answer yes. I think this is not a real interaction, and it's not realistic research. I hope I answered more or less to your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Yes.
sir. Thank you. So, what is your opinion on attending an online conference rather than the physical conference?
About the conferences, I must say it's not your last conference, for example, is the recent conference from Lisbon. Looking at my intervention, is online a better option in the post-pandemic era? I can give my personal answer. I think it's not a better option, but it's an option, because we can't replace the live contact face to face with the online one.
Yes.
Okay, so because I had as one of the subject brief about the research that you had presented at the conference, are you interested? Yes, to speak some words about this?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
I don't understand the answer.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please pardon, sir. What you're saying, sir? I didn't get it.
So, as I mentioned, in the past 2 years, our educational process around the world has suffered tremendous change due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And both professors and students, we had to adapt really fast to the new condition imposed by the totally new situation we faced. The progress of IT&C has enabled today's online communication to become increasingly mobile, and as a consequence, the university around the world have adapted instantly their learning process using both internal platforms that were already created and used on a smaller scale before the pandemic, but also external resources. And our study represents in-depth analysis of the online education process in Romanian economic universities, considering as main factor the professional development of the student. Moreover, the research presents some facts observed after returning to the classical form of education in campus, both by students and professors. The results of our studies show that online education has definitely some benefits. We can't neglect, but the reality proved that the overall results in our concern, the professional progress of the students, is much lower than in face-to-face learning. Surely the future is going to oblige us to think about hybrid forms of education, but meanwhile we have to find ways to streamline the learning process, both in campus but especially online.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your research. So, sir, would you like to suggest or encourage your friends, your colleagues to attend a conference online?
Yes, of course. Not only that I suggest, but also I brought to become members of Terra. If I well remember, 5 of my colleagues, and they became the members of Terra, and we are very, very honored about this.
Pleasure is all ours, sir. Would you like to join our next conference again in future?
Of course, yes. As I declared also to Dr. Flora Chase, yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. What was your positive feedback about our conference?
First of all, the most important, I think, it was the fact that we knew colleagues from anywhere, and especially from your region, and this was very, very important, because we saw also your mind open to friendship, to collaborative research, and this is really very important.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We are so excited to see you on our future conference.
Excuse me?
We are so excited to see you in our future conference.
Yes. Also, for me, it's a really pleasure. And I was a little panicked because I prepared for this morning, for this intervention. And when I see you have only possibilities on Facebook and LinkedIn, I say, oh my God, because we have a restriction, we must be on Zoom platforms. That's why for the conference, it was impossible to post it, our work papers, our interventions on YouTube.
Okay, no issue, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, what are your future plans? Do you have any future plans?
Future plans, it's to develop this research friendship, and to be honest, to participate in live conferences, not only online. I think that for those who can, because our university help us a lot to participate face-to-face in international conferences. Of course, if there are people what can't be present face-to-face, the hybrid form is also indicated, but surely I'm very motivated to participate also as my colleagues on futures international conferences organized by Terra. And if also you are interested face to face.
That's really nice, sir. Thank you, sir. That's it, sir. It's really nice to talk to you, sir.
Thank you very much also, and from all my heart for your opening. It's very
thank you, sir.
important.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, sir. Goodbye. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. Have a great days and a lot of 10,000 great days.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.